Content curation. There are 10 effective techniques to make your love of finding the best content into a successful business. In the age of information overload, effective content curation has become invaluable. Whether you're a social media guru, a niche expert, or just love discovering great content, these strategies can help you monetize your skills. 1. Social media management. Businesses are always looking for engaging content to share on their social media platforms. Curate relevant articles, videos, and images tailored to their audience. Offer your curation services to manage their social media content, providing value and saving them time. 2. Newsletter curation. Start a curated newsletter in a specific niche you're passionate about. Gather the best articles, insights, and resources related to that topic. Subscribers are often willing to pay for a well-curated newsletter that saves them time and keeps them informed. 3. Online magazine creation. Curate content around a specific theme or industry and create an online magazine. Generate revenue through ads, subscriptions, or sponsored content. Your curation skills can help you build a loyal readership. 4. Affiliate marketing through curated products. Curate a selection of products or services within a niche and promote them through affiliate marketing. Earn a commission for every sale made through your curated list. This method works well for platforms like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. 5. Content curation workshops. Share your expertise by organizing workshops or webinars on effective content curation strategies. Many businesses and marketers are willing to pay for insights on how to curate content that engages and converts. 6. Niche-specific membership sites. Create a membership site focused on a particular niche. Curate premium content, exclusive articles, and resources for your members. Charge a monthly subscription fee for access to your carefully curated content. 7. Sponsored content curation. Collaborate with brands and curate content that aligns with their message. Showcase their products or services in your curated content. Brands often pay for exposure to your curated audience. 8. Event and conference curation. Offer curation services for events and conferences. Curate relevant speakers, workshops, and sessions tailored to the event's theme. Event organizers value expert curators to create compelling agendas. 9. Content curation apps or platforms. Develop a content curation app or platform that assists businesses and individuals in discovering curated content. Generate revenue through subscription plans, ad placements, or premium features. 10. Curated product stores. Open an online store curating unique products from different suppliers. Your curation skills can help you curate a selection of products that cater to a specific audience. Earn a profit margin on each sale made through your store. Your ability to sift through the vast sea of information and deliver valuable content is a valuable skill. Website testing. There are 10 profitable ways to turn your love of online browsing into a profitable business. In our tech-driven world, businesses are constantly striving to enhance user experience, and that's where website testers come in. Whether you're tech-savvy or just love browsing websites, these strategies can help you monetize your skills. 1. User testing platforms. Sign up for user testing websites like usertesting.com, Userlytics, or TryMyUI. These platforms connect you with businesses seeking feedback on their websites. You navigate the site, provide feedback, and get paid for your insights. It's a win-win. 2. Mobile app testing. Expand your testing expertise to mobile apps. Many companies are willing to pay for feedback on their mobile applications. Test functionality, user interface, and overall experience. Mobile app testing gigs are often available on user testing platforms as well. 3. Usability testing for e-commerce sites. E-commerce businesses are obsessed with providing a seamless shopping experience. Test their websites for user-friendliness, checkout processes, and payment gateways. Valuable insights on these areas are highly sought after. 4. Focus group testing. Participate in focus group testing sessions organized by marketing agencies. These sessions often involve in-depth discussions about website features, designs, and user journeys. Your opinions can influence the direction of a website, and you get compensated for your time. 5. Accessibility testing. Test websites for accessibility features, ensuring they are user-friendly for people with disabilities. Many companies are keen on making their websites inclusive, and your expertise in accessibility testing is highly valuable. 6. Beta testing for startups. Join beta testing programs for new websites and apps. Startups often release beta versions to gather user feedback before the official launch. Your insights can shape the product, and you might even receive exclusive perks for your participation. 7. Website security testing. Dive into the world of ethical hacking and security testing. Help businesses identify vulnerabilities in their websites. Many organizations are willing to pay handsomely for security experts to ensure their websites are hacker-proof. 8. Video game testing. Expand your testing skills to video games. Gaming companies hire testers to identify bugs, glitches, and gameplay issues. If you're a gamer, this can be an incredibly fun and rewarding way to make money. 9. Software testing. Test software applications, plugins, or tools. Many software developers rely on testers to ensure their products work seamlessly across different devices and platforms. Your expertise in software testing is in high demand. 10. Become a freelance website tester. Offer your website testing services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Create a profile highlighting your skills and experience. Many businesses and entrepreneurs look for freelance testers for their projects. Your keen eye and attention to detail are your biggest assets in this field. Data entry. 10 effective strategies you can turn your keyboard skills into a profitable venture. Data entry might seem straightforward, but in our data-driven world, it's a skill in high demand. Whether you're a seasoned data wizard or just starting out, these strategies can help you monetize your expertise. 1. Freelance data entry platforms. Join websites like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. These platforms connect you with clients seeking data entry services. Set up your profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on data entry projects. Freelancing offers flexibility and a wide range of opportunities. 2. Specialized data entry. Focus on specialized data entry tasks such as medical or legal transcription, database management, or data cleansing. Specialization often allows you to charge higher rates due to the specialized knowledge required. 3. Online marketplaces. Utilize online marketplaces like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker. These platforms offer micro-tasks, including data entry jobs. While individual tasks might pay less, completing multiple tasks efficiently can result in a substantial income. 4. Virtual assistant services. Offer data entry as part of your virtual assistant services. Many entrepreneurs and small businesses outsource data entry tasks to virtual assistants. This way, you can offer a package of services, increasing your overall earnings. 5. Data cleaning and formatting. Businesses often need assistance in cleaning and formatting large datasets. If you have Excel or spreadsheet software expertise, offer services to clean, organize, and format data. Clean and well-formatted data is crucial for decision-making. 6. Transcription services. Offer audio and video transcription services. Transcribing interviews, podcasts, or webinars requires excellent typing skills and attention to detail. Transcription tasks can be a steady source of income. 7. Real estate data entry. Real estate agencies and property management companies require data entry for property listings, client information, and transactions. Specializing in real estate data entry can lead to consistent projects and clients. 8. Survey and form filling. Participate in online surveys or form filling tasks. Companies pay for individuals to fill out surveys or forms, providing them with valuable data. While the pay per survey might seem small, completing multiple surveys can add up. 9. Academic and research data entry. Assist researchers and academics in data entry tasks related to their studies. This can include entering survey responses, transcribing interviews, or organizing research data. Universities and research institutions often outsource these tasks. 10. Data entry training and courses. If you're an expert in data entry, consider creating online courses or tutorials teaching others your skills. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare allow you to monetize your expertise and help others learn the art of efficient data entry. Remember, attention to detail, accuracy, and speed are your best friends in this field.